Hello friends, myself Amar and I welcome you to Ripple's Code channel. In this video, I will show you about interactive Ruby command. Okay. Now, after installing the Ruby software, if you search for interactive Ruby, then you will see that this desktop application has been installed in your machine, right? Now, if you click it here, then you will get a window like this. Here I have changed the background color by going to the properties. You can do that, right? Now here this 1 specifies the line number and this 0 specifies the depth of the code. Okay. Now what is this depth of the code that I will discuss as I will proceed. Okay. Here I will show you some Ruby commands. Suppose you want to print a message in Ruby. Then to do that, Ruby provides print command. Okay. Print. After that, inside the double quotes, you can print the message which you want to print, right? Here I am printing Ripple's code. Enter. See, you are getting a Ripple's code is printed, and here you are getting nil. This nil specifies that there is no error. Now here if you can see, it is 2. This means the line number is changed now from 1 to 2. Okay. To print, you can use puts also. Puts. After that, again the message which you want to print. Again I am printing Ripple's code. Okay. This. Now see, the line number is again changed to 3. Okay. Now suppose you want to print the Ripple's code message 10 number of times. How to do that? To do that, you need to write 10 dot times do print. After that, the message, that is Ripple's code. Okay. After that, press enter. Now if you see, this is the depth of the code. Here the first line specifies a code. Now since it is a repetitive statement, you need to end the statement also, and to end the statement, here you need to write end. Okay. This means the code which I have written, the depth of the code is 2. One is 0 and after that 1. Okay. I hope I have made myself clear. Now press enter. Now see, the Ripple's code message is printed 10 number of times. Here if you can see, 10 is displayed, right? Or what you can do here, instead of writing the end in a new line, here itself you can write end. Okay. Now the depth of the code is 0. Okay. Now press enter. Again you are getting the same output, right? Now here the Ripple's code message is printed in the same line. Suppose I want to print Ripple's code in a different line, in a new line. Then what you can do, here put a /n. Now press enter. See, the Ripple's code is now printed in a separate line, right? Now let me do some mathematical calculations here. Suppose I am writing 7 plus 2. We are getting 9. I am writing 7 minus 2, 5. Okay. 7 into 2, 14, right? Let me write 7 divided by 2, then we are getting 3. Now here if you can see, 7 divided by 2 should be 3.5, but because these numbers are integer, that's why you are getting the result as integer. But if you make any numerator or denominator as fractional, then you will get the result in fractional value. Okay. Sorry, like 7.0 divided by 2, now you will get the result as 3.5. Right? This is how we can perform some mathematical calculations. Now suppose here I am writing x equals to 5. Press enter. Now we are getting the output as 5. This means the value of x is 5. Now I am writing x plus 5. Now press enter. Now we are getting 10 because the value of x is 5. 5 plus 5 means 10. Now I am writing y equals to x plus 2. Now what is the value of x? The value of x is 5. 5 plus 2 means 7. Sorry. Okay, that's why we are getting the output as 7, right? Now suppose I want that, let me open a notepad. Here I am writing puts, I am giving a message Ripple's code. Okay, let me save this. As I told you in my introduction video that Ruby file must be saved with the .rb extension. Okay, that's why I am saving this with .rb. It can be saved with any name. I am giving the name as hello. and I am saving this in the desktop. Save it. Now if you can check in the desktop, hello.rb file is created, right? Now suppose I want to run that particular or I want to load this particular file through the interactive Ruby command. This means I want to run this particular RB file through the interactive Ruby command. How to do that? To do so, first of all, I need to move to the desktop because the file is saved in the desktop. Okay. Sorry. Now, to move to the desktop, first of all, let me show you in which directory currently I am working. Okay. And to do so, to find out the current directory, first of all, you need to write require file utils. Okay. We need to import this module or this package. It is returning true. This means it has been imported successfully. Now we need to write file utils dot pwd. It will print the current directory. The current directory is this. Okay. Now suppose I want to change the current directory to desktop because my file has been saved to desktop. To do so, we will write file utils dot cd, and after that the directory where the file has been saved. So I am moving to desktop. After that, press enter. It is returning nil. This means the file path has been changed or the current directory has been changed successfully, right? Now to run that particular hello.rb file which has been saved in the desktop, what we will write? We will write load and then the name of the file hello.rb. Okay, press enter. Now see, we are getting the message as Ripple's code, right? Now suppose I want to clear the screen. To clear the screen, we need to write system CLS. Only CLS will not work, right? Now press enter. See, it has been cleared. This is how we can use some of the basic commands of Ruby. I hope you have liked my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.